how to delete recently played on Spotify. Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video I'm gonna show you that how you guys can delete recently played songs on Spotify. So let's get started. For this, what you need to do is just open your Spotify. This might be on mobile or your laptop or iOS devices. This is completely up to you guys, but make sure that you are connected with your internet. So once you have logged into your Spotify account, you guys can see that your recently played audios are in front of you. As I have recently played these three songs, to remove them, what you need to do is just go to the settings option on top right corner here, click on it. Now scroll a little bit down all the way to log out button. By logging out, and then when you will again logged into your Spotify account, you will see that all your recently played audios will be removed. This is one option to remove your recently played items here, and the other option is scroll up again. You have to go to the settings option again and then go to the social here, and on the top you guys can see there is a private session which says start a private session to listen anonymously. If you switch on this button like this, you guys will see that a private section will be made in your Spotify account and no one will be able to see your recently audios which you have listened. And the third option is this second button which shows share what I listen to with my followers on Spotify. If you don't want to share what you have listened to your followers, just switch off this button, as I have already did this. So you also need to switch off this button so that your recently played audios will not be shared with anyone. So these were the three steps through which your recently played audios are removed from your account. So this was so simple and easy. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.